Today we'll talk about how can you find or add hidden words on your Threads app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here, and you just click on it here. It's going to take you to this list. In your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on privacy here, just click on it. You come to next step here, then you click here on hidden words, just click on it. So then here you come here to offensive words in first here, then you just click on sorry, just click here on here. So then here customers and files here. So and here too, can you manage custom infiles? You add it in this list, then you click on add, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.